In my previous video, I have made this coin pickup system. So now I'm going to show you how you can save this system, coin count, in content folder. In my blueprint folder, I'm going to create a new folder. This is going to be save system. Now we have to create a blueprint class, search for save. We have to create save game. This is going to be save game. Player character. Now I'm going to open this one. Now we want to store our coin. We want to store our coin, so it's an integer. So we have to create a variable coin, and this is going to be integer. That's all we have to do now. Now in our third person character, I'm going to get, okay, I'm going to call does save game exist. Okay, now I'm going to promote this to a variable and slot name, hit compile, and this is going to be coin. This is our slot name. And does this slot name exist? Save game exist. Create a branch. Is it true? Then we are going to load our save file. So on true, we have to get load save game from slot, get this slot name, and then we have to cast our save game character. We have to cast our save game character. Now inside this save game, we have to get coin, and then all you have to do, just set this third person character coin to our save game coin. That's all you have to do. This is our load system. Now plug this on true, and on false we want to create a save game. Save game. Now we need object reference. Object reference is going to be our save game, this one, and then we have to set coin value with our coin, and then we have to save game from slot. Now get this slot name. That's all. This is the save system. So let's select all of this one and collapse them into a function. Save coin value. Okay, now I'm going to select all of this, collapse this into a function, load coin value. Okay, this is the load and save system. I'm going to collapse them into a node save system. Okay, save and load system. Now I'm going to open this one, drag this output out, and I'm going to add a sequence. Now I have to plug this right here. Okay, now this is our save and load system. So I'm going to plug this right here. Okay, and now on add coin, this is the event where, okay, let me show you. I have these coins. So if my character overlap this coin mesh, then I'm going to add a coin in my third person character, and after that I'm going to drag this save coin value. That's all I have to do. Now I have 0 coin. Now if I collect all of them, Now I'm going to replay again. Here you can see I have 6 coins. Okay, now if you want, you can remove or delete this save file. So all you have to do, I'm going to call a key event, set this to delete. Now search for delete save game in slot. Get the slot name. That's all you have to do now. I have 24 coin. Now if I press delete and then reopen, here you can see I have this 0 coin. Now I'm going to remove this one, and this is going to be coin name. Okay, also you can manually remove this save file. So all you have to do, open your project and then save game. Here you can see I have this coin. So if I remove this one, we don't have any save system here. We have this save system. Now I'm going to remove this one. Okay, it's working.